Okay, so we're going to start on the front of the puppet, and there's the let's see, I want to give, yeah, there we go. That's sort of a little better angle to see at least the starting place. So I'm poking through the bottom of on the inside edge of the in the wrong side of the fabric, the inside, and then I've tied a knot in the string, and I'm actually going to run the thread through where the knot is. I've separated the two bits of string and sort of tied it off like a little lasso right there. Now here's where we're only going to go tight. Even tighter than that. I want to get right in here on this surface. There we go. Thank you, Cliff. That is perfect. And whoops, let me. Okay, we need to get real tight, right to the point of the needle.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, so we're going to go running the needle parallel to the seam. So I'm going to take a tiny little nip of fabric here, pull it through, then come across to the other side. Oops, keep that up there. Across the other side. And again, a tiny little nip. Small is important here. And then we pull it tight. Oh, that's good. That's a really good angle. Thank you for that. So once again, right there, a tiny little nip.
Straight with the needle there.
And these seams should be no further than 1/4 inch apart. If you can do them 1/8 of an inch apart, that would be great.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.